Errors in Python programs. Errors are faults in program. Errors prevent a program from executing accurately. There can be the following types of errors in a Python program. Syntax errors. A syntax error will occur when these rules and regulations are violated. For example, invalid syntax, parentheses missing. Invalid syntax, type P in lowercase for the correct result. Logical errors. As the name suggests, these errors are related to the logic of the program. These errors are also known as semantic errors. They cause the program to behave incorrectly. They are the most difficult errors to fix, but they do not usually crash the program. For example, invalid logic. The average of 8 and 7 should be 7.5. Put num1 plus num2 in braces as bracket open number 1 plus number 2 bracket close for correct result.